This tech tip will showcase a great way to quickly probe your simulation results at an exact location without using split lines. After running a simulation like the one here, you might want to use the probe tool so that you can find out more information at specific locations. But it can sometimes be difficult and nearly impossible to pick the exact location you want. However, this is possible. One more tedious method to make sure you're picking an exact location involves the use of split lines, but this requires you to rerun your study. The easiest way to get a result exactly where you want it is to create points using the reference geometry tool and then turning these into sensors. We'll first use the reference geometry tool to insert points along this edge. As you can see, you have a lot of control over the exact placement of these points. Next, from the feature tree, we will add a sensor. Sensors are a great way to easily track all sorts of information, like the mass properties or measurements of your model, and even your simulation results. For this case, we'll choose Workflow Sensitive, which will give us the result that's associated to whatever plot is shown at that time. Meaning, it will report strain if we have a strain plot shown, or displacement if a displacement plot is shown. So by choosing these 3 points and creating sensors from them, we'll be able to understand any simulation result at these exact locations. To get the stress results at these exact locations, we'll show the stress plot and use the probe tool. But rather than picking the location from the screen, we'll choose the option From Sensors. And with those simple steps, we're able to easily probe and get our results at the exact locations we want.